welcome to Balghari Kitchen. As usual, you are watching my YouTube channel Balghari Kitchen. As you see, I prepared different kind of recipes, and so today I bring something from Arabian or Arabian. Today I'm going to make chicken mandi. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen, stay tuned Balghari Kitchen, and don't forget to subscribe Balghari Kitchen always and share to friends and family. So I'm going to take you in my kitchen where I prepare all the ingredients for chicken mandi. I'm going to show you. So viewers, here I prepare all the ingredients for the chicken mandi. Here I have bay leaves, coriander, cumin seeds, cardamom, and black peppercorn, and some cloves. Here you can see the chicken I cut into two half. Don't remove the skin. Onion slices, cooking oil. Here I soak the basmati rice for half an hour. Red food color, yellow food color, garam masala, coriander powder, this is Arabic masala, red chili. Here I soak some saffron, some garlic, black pepper, turmeric powder, garlic powder, and salt. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen for this chicken mandi recipe I'm going to prepare in my kitchen. Here I have already taken one pan which is thickened, and I'm going to add some oil on it. Once the oil is heat, we add all the spices which I mentioned in earlier. Just stir for 1 minute. I'm going to add onion, slice onion, you can put, and saute the onion. Don't make it brown, just make it tender, so the onion will be tender. Now it's almost tender, so I'm going to add garlic and stir for our garlic. Now it's time to add the spices: chili, garam masala, coriander powder, Arabic spices, garlic powder, turmeric, salt, and black pepper. Mix together all for at least 1 minute. Just add little water. We'll then stir this well. You can see all the spices. Now you can add your chicken like this. And mix together with the spices all. Cook like 2 to 4 minutes. Yellow food color, red color, some oil, garam masala, turmeric powder, some salt. Mix nicely. This I'm going to put in the chicken. I want to grill the chicken. Just little masala this one. I take 2 cups of rice, so I'm going to add water. Let's see. 1 cup, 2, 3, 4. So 4 cups I use water. Cook this chicken for 10 to 15 minutes. Cover it and keep cooking for 15 minutes. Look at viewers. It's almost 10 to 15 minutes, so I'm going to remove the chicken. This way. Remove the chicken. The chicken this way, and then on the chicken, the prepared masala, I'm going to a bit. Oh my god, it's too much red color. Then I'm going to make this way, skin side up. Add the all juices. Cook it in oven for at least 15 minutes. So our oven is already hot. Let's put together. So close the lid. So now it's time to cook the rice. So our stock is ready. I'm going to add the rice this way. Put all the rice. Just mix one time all the rice and let him to boil with high flame. So viewers, look at this water getting dry now. As soon as the water getting dry, we need to cover the lid and then we cook it on slow flame for 20 minutes. So viewers, now we will cover the lid and slow on the fire and cook for 20 minutes. So viewers, let's check our chicken. Oh my god, our chicken is almost ready. Look at this beautiful color. Beautiful color. So viewers, let's check our rice. Wow, the water is gone. So now I'm going to add saffron. Add saffron. Color you can put like this way. And some coriander as well. And then cover for another 5 minutes. Then our rice is done. So viewers, let's check our rice. Our rice is already cooked. So I'm going to remove from fire, and then we are going to start plating. So normally when we serve in big plates, so I'm going to serve this one on big plate. You can see the rice, coriander around, and then I'm going to add the chicken like this. So you can see viewers, our chicken mandi is ready. So viewers, look at this beautiful chicken mandi with the rice. So the most interesting part in our cooking is the tasting. So let's try our rice. Look at this, very nice, quite hot. Very delicious, very mild spicy, because in Arabic they don't like too much spices. The flavors are there. So you can see beautiful chicken, and the chicken is also soft. You can eat the chicken as well. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen always. Share to friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe, and specially request give your beautiful comments for this chicken mandi, as it's very simple to make in your kitchen. So follow my recipes and upcoming more videos for different kind of cuisine. So we are in Arabian, so I make today chicken mandi. So you can see, you want to taste now. I'm sure you want to taste, you're waiting for taste. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen. Thank you for watching Balghari Kitchen. Have a great day.